Invalid Nation. This is Invalid Gaming coming at you with my long-awaited Minecraft permission tutorial. Now, I've been putting this off for one main reason, was because I was waiting for 1.3 to come out and for the latest version of Craft Bukkit for 1.3. So it'd just be easier for you guys, just in case I made any changes to the way that permissions would work. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to open up your internet, and you're going to want to go to that same website I gave you guys last time, the Bukkit plugin list. Once you're here, you're going to download, if I can spell right, you want to download Essentials. Click on it, and then even though it is 1.2.5, or will say it is, it still works fine with 1.3. And if you were but be aware, the Craft Bukkit for 1.3 is only a developer version, which basically means it's unstable. So if you get random crashes or lags, it's probably because of that. Or if you were still getting it in 1.2.5, it's probably because you don't have enough RAM to your server. And I believe I've already covered that in one of my earlier tutorials. So basically what you want to do is you're going to download Essentials Core, and just wait for that to start downloading. And you're going to download GroupManager. And these both right here will let you run your permissions. Basically, you just want to open up your plugins folder, and you're going to want to open both of these up using WinRAR or anything else that you have. Exit. So then you just want to drag these in, and once they're in, you just want to exit out and go back to your main thing and run the server, and it will load it. It'll make the folders for Essentials and for GroupManager that you need, and there you go, it's done. You just want to type stop in the box, wait for it, and exit out. So when we open this up, you'll get a folder called GroupManager. What you're going to do is you're going to open it, and you're going to want to go to Worlds, your world name, and under groups you're going to want to use something like I personally use Notepad++. You just want to open it with that, and basically this is what you'll get. You'll get some default groups that already come with the plugins. You'll get the default group, you will get the builder group, the moderator group, and the admin group, and the owner. So basically, to add new group, you want to go down here, and you just want to go right here. So let's say you want to add in a co-owner rank, okay? You're going to type in co-owner and put a little colon at the end. And then once you're done that, you want to tab over twice and type in permissions, another colon, actually no, you're gonna not permissions, you want to type in default, and you're going to put this default, because if it is true, anyone that joins your server will instantly be put into the co-owner spot. And you can see up by the default group it is such a true, because any new players will be put to this. But you can always promote players too. So now you get onto the permissions part. And basically this, to get all permissions, you want to just type in dash, and you want to type in this right there. That tells the server that everything you have in the plugins folder is basically gonna count to this class. And then inheritance, you don't really need that. And then under info, this is the important part. You want to go over to prefix. Now, for prefixes, you need color codes, and you can get color codes easy. Just go onto the Minecraft wiki and just type in Minecraft color codes, and basically it'll bring you here to the Minecraft wiki. Just open this up, and once you're here, you just want to wait for it to load, and you just want to scroll down and scroll, and you'll get to a spot that looks like this. This is what it will look like in game, or it'll be close to this. And here are all of your color codes. So let's say you want to make co-owner green. So this is what you would type in. You would type in whatever that is, and you would type in @2, because as you can see here, that's the color code for green. and then from here you would type in, let's say you wanted a bracket around your name, you would type in that, and then you would type in co-owner bracket, and then here is, like, let's say you can have your chat color whatever you want. If just you want to put an @ sign and any of these color codes, but if you want a white, just do @ f and close it off like that, and that's how you add prefixes. Now the next thing under info is build. The building, basically, if it's set to true, you can build in your world. If it's set to false, you can't destroy anything. And finally, suffix, you don't really need this, so you just do that. So that's basically how you set up a permission for any classes. Now, because I have essentials installed, let's say you want to put a bunch of essentials things under this. So basically, you would just start right here, and you'd open this up, and you'd go back to the essentials forum. So basically, once you're here, you want to go down, and you're going to want to find command permissions, and it'll bring you to another a different website. And then basically here it has every permission in here, so you just want to look at, so this is right here is what you're going to put in your you're going to put this right here into your permissions file. So let's say you want to give a default class to let's say you want them to be able to feed themselves. So here you would type -- essentials dot feed, and by doing that, because you have essentials installed, it is telling GroupManager to read that permission off of it. So then after that, you can type in /feed command, and it'll be able to heal your food all up. So that's how it works for every permission. You just want to look on their forum post or anything, and they will have link to permissions right on the page. You just have to look for them, and you're going to read what they do, and you just want to type in this exact, because if it's not exact, it's not going to work. So then, as you can tell, there's tons of things with essential, so it takes you quite a long time to add in every permission for it, but once you do it, it's totally worth it, because it lets your server be like somewhat professional looking, with people able to do different things. And there's tons of plugins out there for you. And to show you that it would work, you just want to save this and exit out, and under this, under users, you would just want to edit it again, and then these you can delete them if you want, but you don't have to. So basically, you just want to type in your name exactly as it is. So type in your Minecraft name. Subgroups, those are like mini groups, I guess you could have. You don't really need that, so you're fine just leaving that blank. Permissions, these are if you want to give a user special permissions, even though the group doesn't have it, you can add them here. And basically under the group, if I can spell group right, it's late at night, so under group, you would want to go back under your groups, and it will tell you your group, so it's spelled default. So here you would type in default, and you just want to save it. And you can exit out of everything now and go back to your server folder, and you just want to double click your starter run.bat, whatever you saved it as, wait for it to load. It will tell you that it is reading permissions, and there you go. I want to open up Minecraft really quick, see if it opens. Been having trouble with it lately about it not connecting. Yep, here we go. Not sure if because the servers are down right now, or if it's because a little glitch that happened with the new update. No clue. So I guess I'll just end this recording and come back once it's finished. Alright guys, I am back. I just had to make a couple changes to my Minecraft, but now it opened. So basically this is where we left off. You were able to get all this ready, your permissions and everything, and add your username into whatever group you want. So you just want to open up Minecraft now, and under multiplayer you just want to go to direct connect, because it isn't port forwarded or anything yet. You just want to type in localhost like before. You want to click join server, and it'll log you in, and once you're here, yeah, I had to turn the server to offline mode. So it probably isn't gonna work the first time, and if it doesn't, I guess I'll just come back, see if it works. So now you should be able to use feed, and as you can see, it shows that your appetite was sated or whatever, and you can. And let's just to show that actually worked. I'll just sprint around, make my food bar go down. And you just want to use the /feed command to heal yourself up without having to gather food. So that's basically the tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. Please comment, rate, and subscribe so you can keep up to date with my videos and help my channel grow. Thank you all for watching my previous videos and staying tuned for this one. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time.